welcome to FountainFX on Thursday the 3rd of April 2014. We're in the 5-minute chart looking at the European Open of the Euro-US dollar. There is some news coming out at the moment on the Euro. First lot of news has been pretty much no change at all, but just recently there's been some negative news. It's not a huge impacting news, but price is at an area of resistance at the 137.70. We've just had a head and shoulders pattern emerge. So first shoulder, head, second shoulder. We need to wait to see the break of this neckline to 137.64 to be able to take the trade south. So price is starting to push down. If you see here previously we've had some fake outs, shall we say, not breakouts but fake outs with the wicks pushing below. And especially with this one here, this was to try and catch people out as price then pushed up. We can see at the moment with the MACD, price is pushing down, so momentum is reversing, but ignore this particular negative candlestick here, negative chart line on the MACD at the moment, because it's based on this candlestick that's forming here. But overall, price is pushing down, the momentum's pushing down on the MACD, and we have been going sideways, forming a head and shoulders pattern with hopefully a break of this neckline. Once we get the break of the neckline, we will then have confirmation that price does want to go down, and we can look to place a short at the 137.64 with our stop above the 137.70, probably around about the 137.72. It's going to be around about an 8-point risk, and we can then take a trade from there. But we need to wait until this candlestick forms and not jump in. So if we just wait for this to form, and then we can see whether or not it is confirmation that price does want to sell and that we've got the opportunity to take a short. Just flicked over to the news just to share with you the fact that as it's the first week in the month, it's the week when there's a lot of economic data that comes out from all the different trading countries. So we've had some European news come out this morning, negative for the Italian, so the Italian economy, their manufacturing index, it shows that manufacturing is shrinking rather than growing. There's some more due out for the pound at 10.30. Then we've got the euro at minimum bid rate at 145, so it may be a case of ignore the market up until 145, and then you can see exactly what happens when all this news starts to come out. That's the news for today. We'll flick back to the chart and see what's happening, see if this neckline has been broken. So we're now back at the chart several minutes later, and we can see that with this head and shoulders pattern formation, price did break down a bit, pushed down to the 137.58. It's now pulled all the way back up again. So it's sort of playing with us, very much so. The downward momentum is sort of changing. There's no real clear direction in the market, and to be honest, this is probably just the case that the Europeans have decided to sit out this morning as well and wait for the major news to come into the market this afternoon, which with the US announcements and also with some of the ECB press conference in Europe. So it may be a case for us to decide to sit out and wait until 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon and then see exactly what happens in the marketplace. So that's really it from FountainFX. We will be releasing to you a brokerage company that provides free charts, free demo accounts, etc., unlimited, so therefore you can play around on their system. It's going to be using MetaTrader 4, which is meant to be a very good system, so I'll provide you with some training on that as well. And as soon as we've got that all sorted and together, then I'll be able to make the announcements and share with you how to log in and set up your demo accounts. And until then, happy trading from FountainFX. Take a look at the market this afternoon, and we will talk to you soon. Bye bye.